In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export SVG from Figma design. We'll walk through a simple, repeatable process so you can reliably get clean SVG files out of your Figma projects for use on the web, in apps, or in other design tools. I'll also point out a few small details along the way that can save you some headaches later. First, open your Figma file and select the object, icon, or frame you want to export. This could be a single vector shape, a logo, or an entire component. Make sure you have the correct layer highlighted in the Layers panel so you don't accidentally export the wrong element. If you're working with multiple icons, it can help to name your layers clearly before exporting. With your layer selected, look over to the panel on the right side of the screen. At the top of this panel, you'll see different tabs like Design, Prototype, and maybe others depending on your setup. You want to make sure you're in the Design tab. If another tab is active, click on Design so you can see all the properties associated with the element you selected, including layout, appearance, and export options. Now, stay in that right-hand panel and scroll down until you find the section labeled Export. If you don't see it right away, just look near the bottom. Sometimes it's collapsed. Once you see it, click on the area that lets you add an export setting. This is where you tell Figma what kind of file you want and how it should be generated. If there's already an export format listed from a previous setup, you can either adjust it or add a new one specifically for SVG. In the Export Format dropdown, click and choose SVG. This tells Figma to export your selection as a vector SVG file instead of a raster image like PNG or JPG. SVG is great because it remains crisp at any size and is ideal for interfaces, icons, and illustrations on the web. Before you export, it's a good idea to quickly check that your shapes are proper vectors and not flattened images, since only vector data truly benefits from the SVG format. Once SVG is selected, you're ready to export. After exporting, test your file by opening it in a browser or your code editor to make sure it looks and scales the way you expect. And that's all you need to reliably export SVGs from your Figma design.